Hi there, Russ from Lookback here again. When doing moderated research with a participant, it's often nice to keep the conversation with your participants as natural and relaxed as possible. But you also need to make sure that you're remembering to ask your participant the important and relevant questions and that you're covering the key topics so that you can really get meaningful insights out of your research. You could just use a Google or Word doc in a separate window or tab, but then you need to make sure you keep both of them open all the time. So instead, you can use the Look Back Moderator discussion guide to help. To set it up, you just go into the round editor for a live share or interview round. Right now, I'm in a live share round in this project. I'm going to go into edit round here on the right and then head over to moderator tools here on the left. From there, you simply fill out your discussion guide with the relevant information you want to cover, the questions you want to ask, and then you can easily access it from your toolbar on the bottom while you're doing a moderated session, again, without the need to open up another window or tab. If you use a numbered list like I've done here, those will actually appear as checkboxes in your discussion guide in the live session. You can learn more about all the details of this feature in the help article linked below. And that's the moderator discussion guide from Lookback. And this has been another edition of What? I didn't know you could do that with Lookback Wednesdays.